Unlocking the potential, your journey to buying your first rental property. Imagine standing at the threshold of a new opportunity, keys in hand, ready to unlock the door to not just a property, but a future of financial growth and independence. Buying your first rental property is a significant milestone, one that combines the excitement of real estate investment with the promise of long-term rewards. But where do you begin? How do you navigate the myriad of choices and decisions that await you? In this video, we'll embark on this journey together, exploring the essential steps, critical metrics, and expert tips that will transform your first rental property from a dream into a reality. So, take a deep breath, and let's dive into the world of real estate investment. Number 1. Choose the right location. Choosing the right location is pivotal to the success of your rental property investment. Start by researching areas with strong economic growth, low unemployment rates, and increasing job opportunities, as these factors attract potential tenants. Look for neighborhoods with high rental demand and low vacancy rates to ensure steady income. Evaluate the local amenities, proximity to schools, public transportation, shopping centers, and recreational facilities can significantly boost a property's appeal. Pay attention to safety by checking crime rates. A safe neighborhood is more attractive to renters. Future development plans in the area can also enhance property value over time, so investigate any upcoming projects or improvements. Additionally, consider the property's proximity to your residence if you plan to manage it yourself, or ensure that reliable property management services are available if it's farther away. By meticulously assessing these factors, you can select a location that maximizes rental income and long-term appreciation. Number 2. Key metrics to evaluate. When buying your first rental property, evaluating key metrics is essential to ensure a profitable investment. Begin with the rental yield, which is the annual rental income divided by the property price. A higher rental yield indicates better potential returns and helps cover expenses while generating profit. Next, assess cash flow. This is calculated by subtracting all monthly expenses, mortgage, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and property management fees from the monthly rental income. Positive cash flow is crucial as it ensures the property is financially sustainable and provides income after expenses. The capitalization rate, cap rate, is another important metric, determined by dividing the net operating income, annual rental income minus operating expenses, by the property price. A higher cap rate typically indicates a more attractive investment opportunity with better returns. Occupancy rates in the area are vital to gauge rental demand. High occupancy rates suggest a stable rental market with consistent income, reducing the risk of vacancies. The price-to-rent ratio, which is the property price divided by the annual rental income, helps determine if the property is priced fairly in relation to its rental income potential. Lower ratios often signal better investment opportunities. Lastly, consider the cost of property management if you plan to hire a manager. These metrics together provide a comprehensive view of the property's financial viability, guiding you towards a smart investment decision. Number 3. Finding good deal. Finding a good deal on your first rental property requires strategic research and negotiation. Start by exploring emerging neighborhoods with growth potential, where property prices are lower but poised to increase. Use online real estate platforms, attend local auctions, and network with real estate agents to discover listings. Look for motivated sellers who might offer properties below market value. Conduct a comparable market analysis, CMA, to understand local property values and identify undervalued homes. Focus on properties needing minor renovations, as these can be purchased at a discount and increase in value with improvements. Negotiate effectively by understanding the seller's motivations and being prepared to make a strong offer. Consider properties listed for a longer time, as sellers may be more willing to negotiate. Lastly, evaluate the potential rental income and expenses to ensure the deal aligns with your financial goals, providing positive cash flow and long-term appreciation. Number 4. Financing the property. Financing your first rental property is a critical step in the investment process. Begin by exploring mortgage options, such as conventional loans, FHA loans, or portfolio loans, each with different terms and requirements. Ensure your credit score is high, as this impacts the interest rate and loan terms you'll receive. Save for a substantial down payment, typically at least 20%, to avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI, and secure better loan conditions. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to streamline the buying process and strengthen your negotiating position. Consider the loan's terms, including fixed versus adjustable rates, and evaluate the interest rate's impact on your cash flow. Additionally, factor in closing costs, which can range from 2% to 5% of the purchase price. Consult with mortgage brokers or financial advisors to explore the best financing options for your situation, ensuring the loan aligns with your investment goals and financial capabilities. Proper financing sets the foundation for a successful rental property investment. Number 5. Conduct thorough due diligence. Conducting thorough due diligence is essential when buying your first rental property. Start with a comprehensive property inspection by a qualified professional to uncover any structural or maintenance issues. This helps you avoid unexpected repair costs later. Perform a title search to ensure there are no legal disputes or liens on the property. Review zoning laws and local regulations to confirm the property can be used as a rental. Analyze the financials, including property taxes, insurance costs, and anticipated maintenance expenses. Ensure these align with your budget and projected cash flow. Research the neighborhood by examining crime rates, school quality, and future development plans. Understanding the local rental market is crucial. Check comparable rental rates and occupancy levels to ensure the property will attract tenants and provide consistent income. Lastly, understand the seller's motivation and history with the property. Thorough due diligence minimizes risks and ensures a sound investment decision, setting you up for long-term success in rental property ownership. Number 6. Monitoring and adjusting your investment. Monitoring and adjusting your investment in rental property is crucial for long-term success. Regularly review your property's financial performance, including rental income, expenses, and cash flow. Compare these metrics against your initial projections to identify any discrepancies or areas for improvement. Stay informed about market trends and rental rates in your area. Adjust your rental rates periodically to remain competitive while ensuring they cover your expenses and generate profit. Consider making strategic upgrades or renovations to increase property value and attract higher quality tenants. Maintain open communication with your tenants to address any issues promptly and maintain tenant satisfaction. Be prepared for unexpected expenses by maintaining a reserve fund. Continuously educate yourself on real estate investment strategies and tax implications to optimize your returns. By actively monitoring and adapting to changes in the market and property conditions, you can maximize the profitability and sustainability of your rental property investment over time. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards becoming a successful rental property investor. Remember, choosing the right location, evaluating key metrics like rental yield and cash flow, and conducting thorough due diligence are crucial. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips and investment strategies. Have questions or want to share your experiences? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check out our playlist for more in-depth videos on real estate investing. And if you're ready to dive deeper, click here to watch our next video on maximizing rental property cash flow. Thanks for watching and happy investing.